back with another video. Today we're going to be doing another wig review on this hair that I have in my head. It's a 20-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal. It's supposed to be HD. I'm not really sure if it's given HD, but it's still really good lace. So I just want to go get right on into it. This hair is from Ossilee Hair. And I also want to make sure that y'all know that this is an unsponsored video. I like to give y'all realistic reviews because I feel like influencers have the tendency to promote hair that they wouldn't really wear. And I just don't want to be like that. I really want to be authentic. Also, they didn't sponsor me, so it's not like I have to say anything good about them. My thing is that I just want to be as transparent for a customer as I would want the reviews to be, you know? So that's why I'm giving y'all this review. I bought this hair with my own money. I just want to make that clear. I think it was $120 something, $27. I'm not really sure. $127 is what I want to say. It's a 20-inch, and let's just get right into the specs. So let's start off with the pros, and then we'll go into the cons. The pros are, oh my god, this hair is like butter. Like, I've just been wearing it straight. I also did wear it curly. I don't really like it curly because it is a shorter length. But as far as straight, y'all, this hair straightens so good. And this is a product that y'all need to use if you want to straighten your hair. This stuff will make your hair silky straight just in general, but this hair is just so soft. Like, literally does not tangle at all. I've been having this hair for about a good 3 months, I want to say. And I have worn it. This is my third install. So like I said, this hair does not tangle, especially at the nape. That's something that I always worry about with hair, is that it tangles at the nape. It doesn't do that at all. I'm telling y'all the truth, the honest to God truth. Yeah, so the price is also pretty good. I mean, as far as affordable hair, it's under $200. And I guess you're thinking like, well, it's a 20-inch. Well, in my opinion, the lace is HD. It's supposed to be HD. I'm not really sure if it is, but on me, I feel like it looks pretty good. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's definitely not giving transparent. I can say that for sure, because to me, transparent comes off as ashy sometimes. So that's another pro. For HD, for $127, 20-inch HD, 13 by 6 frontal, not a 13 by 4. So this part right here, like where the parting space is on the side, is definitely giving 13 by 4. But you can literally, I could literally keep going down with this part until about right here. So it's definitely true to the dimensions of the lace. I absolutely love that. I love having a deep part, and you could definitely do a side part on this. Let me see if can you do it deep. Yes, like you can make your part start right here, and you're not gonna hit lace. I absolutely love that. I feel like that's one of the best qualities of Ossilee hair, is that the fact that the lace is not giving 2-inch parting space. I can't stand that, y'all. Like, I love to switch from a deep part to a middle part. I just love it. Okay, so those were the pros. I feel like I went over a lot. It straightens really, really well. It doesn't tangle at the nape, thank you God. And the dimensions of the lace are very true. Very, very true. Now let's get into the cons. The only con that I really have with this unit is that the frontal, I don't know if this is like a normal thing, but I can't stand when the frontal is not the length of what it's, like the frontal and the hair just make a real difference as far as the length. I just want it to be closer. Oh, I don't know if I just said. I just want it to be closer. Like, if it's a 20-inch, I want my frontal to be given like 18, if that makes sense. And I mean 18 from beginning to end. And the other con to me is, I don't like how, I like my hair to be, let's see if you can, I can put it through to me. You see how you can kind of see through that? I like my hair to be thick from root to tip, and to me it's not giving that. The hair is not bad, and you see, like, it's not like it, the straightening is straight, like, you know what I mean? It's not bad, but it's sparse. I don't like that. I like it to root to tip be thick. I know when you get to longer inches, you get that like thinner look, but this is a 20 inch. It should not be giving thin look. Now the unit is not thin. Like when you this look, it's giving like natural, like a blowout. You know what I mean? Or like a press. But I just don't like the ends looking like that. Like I want them to be like straight across, but I feel like I'm cutting off the length if I do that. So I didn't do that. I probably will do it, but I didn't. But that's honestly the only con. Like I really would recommend this unit to other people and their hair in general. I'm not sure about like curly and all that, but the straight hair is definitely giving straight. Like it's really good. I really mess with it. And the unit is thick. Like you would expect, this is on AliExpress, so you would expect it to be, AliExpress is just hit and miss with just in general. But girl, this is a company that I feel like you can definitely count on. Um, and this is not sponsored. I want that to be clear. This is not sponsored. I'm genuinely saying that I bought this with my own money and that I really like this product. I wish I had like a box or whatever to show y'all like what everything that came in there, but it wasn't much. It was just the hair and I want to say like it just came in like just a cute bag. It wasn't nothing major. They didn't give me no extra gifts, no lashes, no headband, none of that. This also comes with the 3 combs and the, you know, the 2 right here and then the 1 in the back. I don't like that. I really just be ready to take that off, but it's big head friendly. So if you had a smaller head, I feel like you could use the combs to, you know, keep it on your head. But it really fits well, and the lace is really good. Let me see if I can come up close. I don't know if y'all can tell, but baby, it's ate up. It's definitely ate up. Like seriously. It did not come pre-plucked. I did bleach and pluck it myself. This is the wig that I wore in my Vegas vlog. So if you wanted to see another reference video, I wore this in my Vegas vlog. The only thing is, in my Vegas vlog, it was like super orange on the roots, but I fixed it with some purple shampoo. So yeah, I mean, I definitely recommend this hair if you're gonna buy any hair from AliExpress, especially for affordable prices, girl. Cause you know they be trying to bust heads and being real stingy on the lace lately. But I'm telling you, this company, they did their big one. They did their big one with this unit, and I wish I would have got it in a longer length, but I was being cheap and didn't want to spend that much because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be giving. You know what I'm saying? But it definitely is giving, so I will be buying more units from them. Um, yeah, so I just really want to give y'all a realistic review. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the lace and what y'all think about the hair, and do y'all think that it's worth the 130? You know what I mean? Because if you don't feel like it's worth it, that's understandable. People like to get things that's under $100, and that's more so like Amazon. And you know what, I got some Amazon reviews coming up, and I paid for these wigs, so I'm gonna let y'all see those as well. Yes, girl. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share this with a friend. Bye.